This is a giant cat maze. The cats will be entering the maze, trying to eat all the trees and then go back out. Who will do it faster, Indy or Gizmo? Let's find out. So, yeah, I let Indy go first. So here's that. Here's how it went. So he didn't really do much here. He's kind of a slower paced cat. But yeah, he didn't really do much here or for a while, as you'll see. Come on, Indy, please go faster. Yeah, he's not really doing anything. He's really slow. But yeah, he just takes his time with his friends, I guess. And there we go. So, yeah, and it took a while, over 3 minutes, but hey, he did it, and yeah, that's cool. Now let's see what Gizmo does. Not gonna lie, Gizmo was a lot slower than I thought he was gonna be, but okay. At this point, Gizmo just, I don't know, he was exhausted, he was confused, he started breaking stuff. I'm not sure why he couldn't just like sense his treats and just like smell them, but he just went out of the maze, and you know, I'm not gonna force him to go back. You know, he collected as many as he knew of, so yeah, he didn't collect them all, and with breaking a bunch of walls and just overall the fact that Indy got all of them and Gizmo didn't, I think Indy probably wins. So yeah, congratulations Indy on winning. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, goodbye.